Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. We're going to talk about a term today that you are going to start hearing a lot of, I think. So I wanted to make sure you are up to speed on what it even means. And it has come into play because Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook fame used it lately. And it is Metaverse. And he talked about that his ambitions are to turn Facebook into a Metaverse company. So you need to know what that means. He said, I wanted to discuss this now so that you can see the future that we're working towards and how our major initiatives across the company are going to map to that. Zuckerberg said on the call, this was on an earnings call. What is the metaverse? This is still in quotes. It is a virtual environment where you can be present with people in digital spaces. You can kind of think of this as an embodied internet that you are inside of than just looking at. So this reminds me of, and there's so much about virtual reality and artificial intelligence and, being able to wear goggles and Facebook's Oculus program and living inside of a virtual world. And no different really than a lot of the digital games and virtual games that are played either in your family room, living room, or online. But this reminds me of, what was it called? Second City, not Second City, those are the comedians. And Second World, something like that, which was way before its time, where everybody lived inside of your avatars, lived inside of this city. This was about 10 years ago or more. And I remember thinking, well, that's just downright weird. But you know what? We are 10 years more advanced than that. And there's so many more ways that we've advanced that I don't know. I think there are going to be two worlds if this does happen. People who have no desire to spend most of their online time communicating like that. And then there will be others who will say, and maybe we have three worlds. Then we have some that will say, hey, this is really neat. We can have meetings, we can give presentations, we can visit people, we can go places, we can do things, we can even exercise in ways that we don't have the capacity to do anymore, or that we can't do them physically as much as we want to. And then there are going to be people that will just dive head first into it like they do so many other things, and they'll say, oh, this is the end all, the be all and the end all, and this is it, the metaverse. I'm living there, baby. So metaverse, you need to know that term. All right, that's it for Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland. If you want to get a hold of me, just email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. Thank you so much for being here. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.